Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every single day. Elon Musk taught himself rocket science from books alone. And Mukesh Ambani, worth over 8 lakhs crore rupees, calls reading his single greatest competitive advantage. Here's the terrifying truth. While you were watching reels, billionaires were reading books that literally rewired how they see the entire universe. Book number 1, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. Sounds like a joke, right? It's not. Elon Musk said this book, a comedy novel from 1979, taught him that asking better questions is more valuable than knowing answers. That one idea directly inspired the creation of SpaceX, Tesla, and a company now worth over 2,50,000 crore rupees. One book. One idea. Trillions of rupees. Book number 2, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, published 1949. Warren Buffett called it the best book about investing ever written. He first read it at age 19 and invested 800 rupees. Using only the principles from this one book, he turned that into 750, 00,00,000,000. That's 750 billion rupees. Every single principle still works today in the Indian stock market. Every single one. Book number 3, A Brief History of Time by Stephen Hawking. In 1988, this book sold 25 million copies worldwide. But here's what nobody tells you. The founders of Google, Amazon Web Services, and DeepMind AI all credit this book for teaching them how to think about systems and scale. Understanding the universe at this level literally creates billion-dollar pattern recognition in business. This is how Jeff Bezos thinks about Amazon's infrastructure today. Book number 4, The Everything Store, The Inside Story of Jeff Bezos and Amazon. Bezos made his entire leadership team read this book about his own company. Why? Because it documents the exact mental models that took Amazon from a garage startup in 1994 to a 1 crore 60 lakhs crore rupees empire today. The book reveals one shocking secret. Bezos rejected short-term profit 27 consecutive times, and each time, his net worth multiplied. Indians building startups need this framework. Book number 5, and this one will hit different. Autobiography of a Yogi by Paramahansa Yogananda. Steve Jobs was so obsessed with this book that he downloaded it on every single Apple device before he died. Jobs reread it once every year for 40 years. Apple is now worth 2 crores 50 lakhs crore rupees. Jobs said this book taught him the intersection of intuition and innovation, the same intersection where every 1,000 crore rupees product idea is born. Here's the brutal truth that will sting. The average Indian spends 3 hours 42 minutes per day on social media. That's data from 2023. But reads less than 1 book per year. Meanwhile, CEOs of Fortune 500 companies read 60 books annually. The gap between where you are and where billionaires are? It's not intelligence. It's not connections. It's not even money. It's information density. These 5 books contain 200 years of compressed billionaire thinking. Free at any library. Now here's the India angle that absolutely nobody is talking about. India's digital economy will hit 69 lakhs crore rupees by 2030. That's official NASSCOM data. The entrepreneurs who will capture that wealth are already reading these exact books right now in Pune, Hyderabad, and Chennai. The AI tools emerging in 2024 directly reward people who think in systems, scale, and universal patterns, which is exactly what these 5 books teach. You are literally sitting on the most valuable wealth-building moment in Indian history. Your action plan starts today. Week 1. Get the Intelligent Investor. Change how you invest. Week 2. Read A Brief History of Time. change how you think. These books cost less than one Zomato order but could return 10 crore rupees in lifetime wealth. If this video gave you one insight that's worth money, subscribe and hit the bell. We drop life-changing money facts every single week. Your future self will thank you.